coffee in a thermos, not a soul around. Sunlight breaks on the water so clear. Me and John Dalton, our favorite time of year. We cast out lines in a whispering stream, chasing that tug like a backwoods dream. Laughter echoing through pine and stone and River Creek country, we feel right at home. Oh, nothing beats those River Creek days with John Dalton leading the way. He knows every bend and where the big ones hide, tells a fishtail with that spark in his eyes. Old tackle box, worn and wise, and stories that grow each time we try. We cast out lines in the whispering stream, chasing that tug like a backwoods dream. Laughter echoing through pine and stone, River Creek country, we feel right at home. Oh, nothing beats those River Creek days with John Dalton leading the way. Leading the way. Sometimes we don't catch much, and that's okay. It's about the peace and the time we take, talking life, watching hawks fly high, with the sound of water rolling by. We cast out lines in the whispering stream, chasing that tug like a backwoods dream. Laughter echoing through pine and stone and River Creek country, we feel right at home. Oh, nothing beats those River Creek days with John Dalton leading the way. Yeah, we'll keep on fishing come sun or rain. In the heart of the wild we'll remain, with tackle, time, and friends so true. River Creek, John, the sky so blue.